Hi, we are going to start live coding from 11th, which means this Sunday at 7 p.m. Now, what is the concept of live coding is, I have seen that many people have fear of coding. Many people avoid coding, and this is the most important skill that any computer science student should have. And it is just like water. Many people are afraid of water. They don't actually get into water. The reason is that they have some inhibitions, right? Now, how do you overcome that fear of water? Jump into the water and you start swimming. Okay, I'm not asking you to jump into deep water. You can start at a shallow level and gradually start learning how to swim, and then you can swim in deep levels also, right? So same way, if you want to learn coding, just start with basic programs and gradually we can increase the complexity. The concept of live coding is, I will be coding on my system, and while writing the code, I'll be explaining you each and every line, and at the same time, simultaneously, you are also going to open your laptop and you are also going to type the code, and we both are going to do the coding together. So it is a kind of hand holding, right? I'm going to take you to a level where you are very comfortable writing any code. Now, what are the different languages that we are going to see? Definitely we are going to start with Java, then I'll take you to Python, and along with that we are also doing full stack programming. For example, in web technologies, we are doing a small project where I'm using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP and MySQL, right? So gradually we will cover all the technologies, right? But every day there will be live coding session. We are teaching algorithms and we'll be writing the code in, we'll be implementing the code in Java or Python. Initially we are going to start with Java only. So the concept is simple. I will be coding, just and you will be watching, and you will also be coding, and whenever you have any doubt you will be commenting and I'll be replying, right? You may ask me why you have used this particular construct, why didn't you use some other construct. Such questions are always, it is a kind of discussion, right? So coding and discussion. So you will be learning how to code, and also you will have a schedule and you will have a discipline. So every day if you follow me, you are going to learn a lot of coding, right? So remember, the date is 11th, which means the coming Sunday, and the time is 7 p.m. I want to see you all, and let's start coding on that time. On this day, 7 p.m. 11th, we are actually going to start coding by taking some simple programs. Gradually we'll increase the complexity, right? Thank you. Hi, now my recorded videos are available on Unacademy platform if you take Iconic subscription, okay? And you can access the videos only on Android app, not on iOS. Only on Android app you'll be able to see all my recorded videos, and they are very well structured and organized. So if you see this, so you can go to computer science, and in the computer science you can see what are all the subjects available. Now if you click on a subject, it is going to show you all the videos one by one, right? And you can also give your learning preferences, okay? So learning preferences is either what is the target year and what is the CA, are you going to learn for GATE ESC or something like that, okay? So if you want to register for it, you can use the code RRCS, and you are going to get 10% discount if you use the code RRCS, okay? So if you are planning to buy any subscription, go for Iconic, because recorded videos are available. Now along with that, you will also get the live videos as well, so you can refer both of them, okay? Hi, so there is a good news. Now that my recorded content which you used to get on Raudra platform will also be available on the Unacademy platform, okay? So what I mean to say is, so there are two kinds of subscriptions you can go for. One is Plus and the other one is Iconic. Now Plus is all about live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, doubt solving, and English and Hindi batches. This is what you are going to get if you go for Plus. Now if you go for Iconic subscription, along with all the live classes by me and many other faculty, you are also going to get the recorded content of Raudra, okay? So whatever recorded content was there earlier of Raudra, that will also be available for you in the Iconic subscription. So along with these recorded classes, you will also get the live classes and all these benefits. And in Iconic, you have many other benefits, like you will be given a personal coach and a study planner, and a dedicated doubt clearing instructors and preparatory material, study booster sessions, and personalized test analysis. So all these benefits you are going to get in Iconic. So in Iconic you get all the live classes along with my recorded classes and a mentor and dedicated doubt answering classes. So Iconic is like you get everything. So I think no one in India is providing all these services. Okay, so take Iconic subscription in order to get my classes, recorded classes, as well as all these benefits. And if you have already taken Plus, then upgrade it to Iconic. You are going to get all my classes. Okay. Now that is not the only reason why you should be joining Unacademy. Now, if you look at it, the India's best faculty are on Unacademy. These people are all senior to me and they are all legends in their respective subject. For example, Venkat Rao sir is a legend in TOC compiler design, and Subba Reddy sir is a legend in algorithms. He is also called God of Algorithms. And Sanchit Jain sir, you must be knowing about him. He is also a YouTuber like me. And Saurav Thakur is a legend in aptitude. And Uma Maheswara sir is the most senior faculty for mathematics, right? And similarly, we have Vishwadeep Goti also, who is teaching CO. So these many people are actually conducting live classes, and you also will get my recorded classes. And whenever you feel like any topic is not good in any of this, see, all these people will be teaching multiple subjects. So if you don't like one particular topic from one faculty, you can actually look at other faculties classes also. Generally it doesn't happen because all these people are best at what they are doing. So generally it doesn't happen that you don't like their classes. You will definitely like them. In case if you want more choices also, you can choose. That is what I'm saying. Okay, so you have live classes which you can attend from home, and you have unlimited access to all the courses. So once there is a live class, and if you didn't attend it, then that live class will be converted into recorded video, and that recorded video will also be available for you unlimited, depending on your subscription. If you take 1 year subscription, you can watch all the videos for 1 year, and top educators are on the platform, and study material will be given to you in the PDF format, and you have exhaustive course syllabus coverage, and there will be doubt clearing sessions, and the best test series in India is available here. Okay, so the test series I personally prepare and I personally monitor, and also after every test I'm going to give you video solutions as well. Okay, and there will be answer writing sessions. So these are all the benefits. Okay, so that is why you should be joining Unacademy. Now what is the fee for it? So the fee is like this. If you are using the code RRCS, you will get 10% discount on the fee. Okay, so the fee is like this. For 27,000 only, you are going to get 1 year access for Plus, and if you want to go for 2 years, the fee is 39,600. Now coming to Iconic, where my videos are available, you have to pay 45,000 rupees in order to get the Iconic subscription, and the code is RRCS. You might feel that the fee is high, and you might feel that there are other cheaper courses available outside. But just think about one thing. Earlier people used to join Medizy in order to attend those faculty classes, and now they are all on Unacademy platform, and along with them I am also teaching. Earlier people used to pay 31,000 rupees just to watch my classes, right? Now you can pay just 27,000 rupees and you can get the access, and I mean you can get the classes from everyone. Okay, it is 45,000. So if you pay 45,000, you are going to get the recorded videos as well as live videos by all these people. Got it? So if you are thinking about joining for GATE, and if you are very serious about GATE, just join this program. This is the India's best program for computer science. You show me any other institute which has these many people, these are all legends, these many people teaching on one single platform for this price, I'll definitely give you a gift. Okay, if you show me some other institute, you name any institute in India, any big institute, you'll find that our faculty are the best. Okay, thank you guys.